What's up, YouTube? You guys gave me a lot of views on my Maxima, so I figured I'd bring it back, man. So what we're gonna do, and we almost got 2,000 views on that Maxima. So you guys, I guess you guys really enjoyed that footage. So I figured that we'll continue recording stuff for it since I'm still doing stuff for it. So I left you guys with tires coming in and the rest of the pieces for the floaters, the center caps and all that stuff. So the next few clips you're gonna see is me getting the tires mounted, well, me getting the tires balanced, because my tire machine is here but my balance machine don't work. So took the wheels to get balanced. So you're gonna see the footage of the balance. You're gonna see footage of me heading back to the shop with them balanced, and you're going to see footage of the center caps. And then we're gonna bring it back current till today, which is December 5th, where we're gonna be installing all new speakers and the sound system today. And I think it'll be a pretty good video. So all right, let's jump into these clips and then we'll bring it back to today. See y'all in the next clip. What's going on, YouTube? Man, I forgot my GoPro, so I had to record with my phone, and I hate recording with my phone. So, but just to say, man, we got the other two center caps in. Told you guys I have all the parts for the Maxima in today. So we got the other two center caps. I done dropped the wheels off to get mounted. The guy told me to be back by 3 o'clock, so we got about another 20 minutes so we can go pick those up. So when we get back, we're gonna bolt the wheels up, put the new center caps on, and install the parts from Nissan. I still got to go to Nissan. I was waiting on a customer to come by to pay on his balance, and he just left. So now we finna head to Nissan, pick up the parts, swing back by the tire place, pick up the tires, come back and put it all together. So see y'all in the next clip. What's going on, YouTube? Picking up the wheels, as y'all can see right there, and we heading back to the shop, and we finna bolt these things up. So I'm right down the street from the shop. I'm literally like, yeah, like not even 2 minutes. So see y'all when we get back to the shop. What's going on, YouTube? We on the Max. Man, I actually got speakers for the F-150 and the Maxima, so I'm gonna have to see which one goes where, but that's the amp we're gonna run with. The subs and the box, you guys already saw it in the episode, in the first video. I just got to figure out what speakers go to what. So I hope seeing you in this hallway mean I get to see you on the court today, right? Man, them other speakers back there in the back. All right, YouTube, so I done figured it out. So this is all what's going in the Maxima. 6x9s, 6.75s, and 5.25s. Rockville 12s, Rockville 6 watt 1000 watt amp, ported box. So finna get to taking these door panels off. See you guys in a minute. What's going on, YouTube? We back on my Maxima. We ran into a lot of issues, man. A whole bunch of issues. So what I ended up having to do was order a lot of stuff. So the speakers that I ordered were too small for the back doors, so I had to order some 8-inch highs. Also, they cut the wires to the factory amp, which is right there. So, man, this shit just turned into a headache. The only thing that fit was the 6x8s that go on the door, but the wiring doesn't work. So when you hook the radio up, the only thing plays is the dash. So man, I had to order all this stuff. I had to order a 4-channel watt amp. I had to order an amp kit for the 4-channel watt. I had to order 0 gauge wire. I had to order 8-inch sub and a kinetic battery. Since I'm gonna be running 2 amps, I didn't want my headlights to be dimming, so I went ahead and went with another extra battery for the back, which is the reason why the car couldn't get done over the weekend, which is why we went from the last video till now, which is Monday. So I had to take the F-150 home because I don't like a lot of my cars being here, because I'm not trying to take away space from paying customers. Ain't no point of having a shop full of my cars, because my cars isn't going to make me any money. So since this is going to be here for this week, I drove the F-150 home so I can work on this week, and when I get this back home, I'll bring the F-150 back. So all right, YouTube, a lot of the stuff will be here today. I think the only thing won't be here today is the kinetic battery, and hopefully we can get all this installed between today and tomorrow. But once everything get here, man, we'll keep it moving. And man, oh, another thing, let me walk over there. All right, so this is one of the speakers that I bought that was supposed to go right here, but they made this speaker into an 8. But you guys remember, I already had these holes in the door, so I'm just going to utilize the holes. Even though this looked tacky as shit, man, I don't like it, but it's going to be better than a big ass hole sitting right there. So I'm actually making a hole bigger so I can mount these in this hole. It was going to be a lose-lose situation. Either I won't be able to use the speakers, and I was going to have a big ass hole in the bottom of my door panel. So doing it like this, even though I think it's ugly, I can at least use the speaker that I bought and not have a big ass hole in my door panel. So it is what it is. So all right, YouTube, I almost got it sitting flush. I actually had to make the hole bigger, and once I get it sitting a little bit more flush than what it is, then we'll move to the other door panel, and we'll get ready to install all the rest of the stuff that I had to order to make this system work, to make everything work really. So all right, once I get this flush or the new audio stuff comes in, we'll go on and start recording for the next clip. So see y'all in the next clip. What's going on, YouTube? My stuff for the Maxima came in yesterday. I'm not trying to advertise for nobody, but this is the cheapest, the quickest 4-channel amp that I can get that was actually 2 ohm stable. So I was trying to find a 4-channel watt amp that I can get like the next day and not be waiting, and it had to be 2 ohm stable. So this is what popped up. It had a nice good rated review on it, so this is what I ordered. I got the amp kit for this, and we got the 0 gauge for the 6,000 watt Rockville amp. So we got a few more things that are coming in. I believe the 8-inch mids will be in tomorrow or Thursday, but they might pop up today. But most of it is already in. I might go ahead and install this later on today after hours, but you know, we'll see, or I might just wait till everything come in. They pushed my kinetic battery back between December 11th through 14th when it was supposed to be here this week too, but when I checked the tracking, it said it'll be between the 11th and the 14th, so that's next week. So we'll see. Hopefully it'll pop up and get here too. So, but yeah, that's what we're going with. Only thing I'm missing is the highs and the kinetic batteries. So all right, YouTube, if we decide to install this, we'll start recording later on today, or if I wait till everything comes in, but you guys will see it in the next clip. So all right, see you guys later. I got about an hour or so. All right, YouTube. Yeah, I'm on the camera. I'm recording, sir. You want to get on the camera? My 8s came in, so hopefully my battery will be in tomorrow, so this fool can install it. He was supposed to install it yesterday, but he said he ain't had no self tappers. So I'm gonna make sure I get him some before Friday. But yeah, they came in. So got everything but the damn battery. So waiting on the battery. So see y'all when the battery get in. They do what?
When the F get in, that's when I need to run the wires to the 4-gauge wire. I'm gonna go, well, you gotta wait on him with the turn. Well, I think I'm installing this now.
Alright. 0 gauge ran, ground ran, kinetic battery in. Finna do the amps now. Amps and speaker and remote. I mean bass knob. Alright, we'll be back once we get halfway done. My boy right here. Alright, you on YouTube now, so why you ain't doing that talking you were just doing?
My cut.
You want your cut? Your YouTube cut?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll give you $20. Got the subs in the box. Got them wired up. Now he wiring up this, whatever he doing right here. I got one more 8 to put in that door, and we can play it.
Play me some pimping, man.
No, we can't play no pimping, man. You gotta play some you gotta play my boy Dirty Fresh. Either Dirty Fresh or Mr. N, somebody who
YouTube copyright.
yeah, the YouTube copyright. Gotta play what I got permission to use, that Memphis 10, Memphis N, Mr. N.
That's crazy.
Or Dirty Fresh. We can play that all day. Well, can't play that pimping. Play me some pimping, man. We can't play that. Sorry, YouTube. We finna throw this speaker in. And by the time I get through with that, Slowpoke Rodriguez should be through with that. And you don't know who that is? Bro, you young. I forgot, man. You don't know who Slowpoke is? Speedy Gonzalez cousin. I'm Slowpoke, eh? You know, man. Well, you grew up on Hey Arnold, motherfucker. Yeah. Alright, see y'all in the next clip.
Stacking my paper, man, that's what I'm on. Ducking the haters, man, that's what I'm on. Keeping it clear, man, that's what I'm on. That's what I'm on, that's what I'm on. Keeping it solid, man, that's what I'm on. Flipping my collar, man, that's what I'm on. Let that rocket, man, that's what I'm on. That's what I'm on, that's what I'm on. Stacking my paper, man, that's what I'm on. Ducking the haters, man, that's what I'm on. Keeping it clear, man, that's what I'm on. That's what I'm on, that's what I'm on. Keeping it solid, man, that's what I'm on. Flipping my collar, man, that's what I'm on. Let that rocket, man, that's what I'm on. That's what I'm on, that's what I'm on. Yeah, I be on some other shit. Came up from nothing hustling. Y'all boys on this sucker shit. I here begging in the suffering. I ain't asking for no handouts. Hit the streets, we got them bands out. Been trill, yeah, I been bout it. Gang sour, had to reroute. Bigger car, bigger house, better push, more thousand. Stand down, stand true. Get these fuck niggas from round. Lame niggas want it down. For the ground. For the south. Trying to get rich. Yeah, I'm cool still with the shit. Round the world with this Memphis shit. Cold shoes on this Memphis shit. Man, I've been driven finesse. I'm probably gon' do my best. Stay with this strap so don't stress. We're connected and respect. That's what I'm on. Ducking the haters, man, that's what I'm on. Keeping it clear, man, that's what I'm on. That's what I'm on. That's what I'm on. Keeping it solid, man, that's what I'm on. Flipping my collar, man, that's what I'm on. Let that rocket, man, that's what I'm on. That's what I'm on. That's what I'm on. Stacking my paper, man, that's what I'm on. Ducking the haters, man, that's what I'm on. Keeping it clear, man, that's what I'm on. That's what I'm on. That's what I'm on. Keeping it solid, man, that's what I'm on. Flipping my spin, made a lot of bucks, yeah, but I'm hustling still. Love riding in
All right, that's it. Subscribe and see what I do to it next.
yeah, nigga, that's on the real.
What's up, YouTube? Hey, before we end this video, I need you guys to do me one little favor, man. Go ahead and like it, subscribe, and ring that little bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload a new video.